Today, let's talk about putting an extension kit on top of a tower garden. So whether you're building it for the first time or you just took it off like I did to clean it and replant it. So you got the tower garden base, and then you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pots on top of that. And then you do not want to put the shower cap on next. So that's the biggest mistake people make, is they put the shower cap on next because that's what the instructions say to do. And then they try to build the extension kit on top of that. Just hold on to that shower cap. What you're going to do instead is you're just going to pop the first extension of the extension kit. And then you're going to take the extension kit rods and you're just going to screw them right on. You probably can't even see that, can you? Anyways, and then on top of those rods is where you're going to build, put the second part of the extension kit. If you're using the baby greens kit, there's going to be 4 parts, and then the baby greens kit has its own shower cap. So you can just store the shower cap that came with your tower garden, and use the baby greens kit shower cap that came with it, because it has a different number of holes and configuration. But if you're using regular extension kits, if you're adding 2 more of these pots, which is a regular extension kit, then use the tower garden shower cap and put that on the top. So I hope this helps you guys. It's really simple to do, but if you add your shower cap on first, it will not work.